Right, we'll pick up on that story a bit later, but in the meantime, here's an actual surf report from 2020 and 2021 by Bruce.
Soup, Bruce. You can make a stew out of chicken vegetable soup.
Lekker! Tell me if you see a longboard.
Who's that? Geordie. Oof.
Ripkeer and masturbate.
Fine side, hungry around that foam.
Happy New Year, it would seem. What lockdown?
I'm getting ready to go home, dude.
I'm ready.
You want to go home first?
No, go and catch a quick wave. So, now the hell of a thing, eh?
Yeah, but
New Year's Eve, can you Adam and Eve? You tow your surfboard.
what goes in here? Pepper.
No, beer. So Steve only got a $2,000 fine. Was that this morning?
Oh, it's a ripping. There's Steve there, Jim. He's on the waves again.
That's Stevo.
Yep.
They didn't take his board away.
$1,000 this morning and he's out there again.
On his knees, Jim.
You gotta pray for the world, bro. Where are we? Starfish Guest House. Slice that tomato. Stupid tubes. It's a Saturday. Indawo Yamapupo, place of dreams. January. Shinjay, St. Francis Bay, Bayo de San Francisco.
Lockdown supers. At least the waves are worth being criminalized for, huh? Ooh, coming through the back.
11 bells. Not hell's bells.
The oceans! Windy. The sun's mirror. They're salty, but it sweetens the soul. If you get in there.
Bay of Shepherds first, now it's Bayo de San Francisco. Not too spectacular. It's like a little insider. Those were hungry for it.
Thanks for Surf Report, Bruce. Hope the next one's going to be contemporary, ephemeral, should we say. But okay, cool. Moving right on.